If you've ever opened the PowerPoint slide and felt like your text was sitting too close to the edges, or maybe it just looks a little cramped and unbalanced, then this video is exactly what you need. Today, I'm going to show you how to change margins in PowerPoint quickly and easily, so your text boxes look cleaner, more professional, and much easier to read. This is a simple formatting trick, but it makes a huge difference in the final look of your presentation. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy PowerPoint tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your PowerPoint presentation and click on the text box that you want to edit. This is important because the margin settings only apply to the selected text box. Once the text box is selected, right-click on it to open the context menu. From there, choose Format Shape. This opens the formatting panel where you can control different shape and text settings. Now, in the panel, look for the text options icon. It usually looks like an A symbol, and this is where PowerPoint keeps the text-related formatting controls. Click Text Options and then select Text Box. This is the section that lets you adjust the internal spacing of the text inside the box. Here you'll see the margin settings for top, bottom, left, and right. If your text feels too tight, increase the margins a little. If you want the text to sit closer to the edges, decrease them. You can adjust each side individually, which gives you full control over the spacing and layout. For example, you might want a little extra left and right margin for a title box, or more top and bottom spacing for a quote or callout. As soon as you change these values, you'll notice the text spacing inside the box updates instantly. That means you can fine-tune the look until it matches your design perfectly. This is especially useful when you want your slides to look more polished, modern, and consistent. If the text box is part of a title slide, a diagram, or a branded template, margin control can help everything line up much better. And that's really all there is to it. Select the text box, right-click, open Format Shape, go to Text Options, choose Text Box, and then adjust the top, bottom, left, and right margins until the spacing looks right. It's a small change, but it can seriously improve the readability and appearance of your slides. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more PowerPoint tips, tricks, and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.